how to set up Facebook conversion tracking for Shopify store. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create, customize, and manage their own online stores. And Shopify provides a user-friendly interface and a wide range of tools that help merchants easily sell products both online and in person. And it also offers a customizable templates, secure payment processing, inventory management, and marketing solutions all integrated into one platform. So now to create an account, you can click the Start Free Trial button on the top right. After signing in, you will be directed on this homepage. To start setting up your Facebook conversion tracking, just simply go to this business.facebook.com/settings, and on the left side panel to create an account, just click this data sources, and after that, just click this data sets, in which by start creating a new pixel, just click on the top right corner of this button to connect your data or create a new one by clicking this create new data set, where you need to simply enter the name of it and proceed by clicking the create button to proceed. And after that, from here, you can now start assigning people, assign partner, connecting your assets, and many more. And from here, just click the three dots right here besides it and open it in Events Manager. Upon clicking this button, you will be directed on Events Manager in here, where you can start navigating the overview to test the events, diagnostics, and many more. But just go to the settings option to start connecting your Shopify store. But as you can see, I have now created or successfully connected my Shopify in here. But to show you how to do it, you can now click the settings in here. And after that below, you now proceed by simply choosing or click this choose a partner button. And in this pop-up window, just click the Shopify option to proceed, where you need to verify your ownership of the Shopify in this pixel. By clicking this button below, you will be directed on your Shopify, and from here, it will show you that you need to click your store in here. And upon choosing your online store of Shopify, you also need to install this Facebook and Instagram application. And to do that, just click the install button below to proceed. And all you need to do is to wait for it to load until you will automatically be directed on the page where you also need to start connecting your pixel in here or your Facebook pixel. And at this point, just choose your business portfolio. I'm going to click the connect button in here, or you could also create a new one. And for this option, just choose this maximum sharing preferences. So again, from here, all you need to do is simply choose or fill out all of this required information to do so. And after filling out this part, including this maximum preferences of data sharing, you can now proceed by going to the other part in here, or you could also view the details to proceed. Then you will automatically be directed below here, where you also need to sign in or connect your own pixel in here. So just choose the pixel that you want to connect the conversion. So just click this one, for example, connect button. And after that, just click these boxes indicate that you agree to the terms and condition. Then proceed by clicking the submit for review button below here. And all you need to do is to wait for it to load until the review has been done. So as you can see, it has been finalizing your channel setup in here, in which it may take a while or several minutes, so do not refresh this page. And after that, below here, as you can see, you can start running ads on Facebook and Instagram using your Shopify store in here. And after connecting successfully, you'll now be able to see here that it is now currently active. So just go back to this page and click the next button below. And after that, as you can see, you have now currently verified the connection of your Shopify to this pixel. So just click the next button to confirm it. And upon the confirmation section in here, you could also click the test events in Events Manager, where you could also start creating an ads. And by choosing to test the events in Events Manager, you will automatically be directed on this page, where you can click test events button on the top panel in here. But this overview, you can simply track the event activity, the other conversions, and many more. But moving on to these test events, below here, all you need to do is simply click to confirm your website events are set up correctly. So you can simply enter here your website URL. And to do that, you simply go back in our Shopify and simply visit our online store to simply copy the URL link of our online store in here. And after copying, just simply paste it directly in here. And as you can see, it is now being processed, which means we have now successfully set up our Facebook to our Shopify store, and we can now start tracking the conversion of it. In which setting up conversion tracking for Shopify store is crucial because it helps store owners accurately measures the effectiveness of their Facebook ads by tracking customer actions like purchases, Add to cart events and page views. Businesses can better understand how users interact with their store after seeing an ad. So overall, that is just basically how to set up Facebook conversion tracking for Shopify store.